Hi, welcome to our channel Capsule Tab, and in today's video you are gonna to see a very amazing fact for the very first time, and that is number 1, which are the top 10 pharmaceutical companies in the world and their details, and the second one is why there is no Indian company in this list of the top 10. And when you will understand the reason, you will understand the solution also. So if you like the video, I request you to please share with your friends and all. So let's start. So in the list, the first company is Johnson and Johnson, and the well-known consumer brands are Tylenol, Band-Aid, Johnson and Johnson baby care products, Neutrogena, Clean and Clear, and it was founded in January 1886, and at present the market valuation is around 312 US billion dollar with the annual profit of 15 US billion dollar. So as we saw that this is such a old company, and now we will see why there is no Indian company in the list, because Indian pharmaceutical companies are hardly 20 to 30-year old, whereas those companies who are in the list of a top 10, they are almost 100 and more than 100-year old. So this is the first reason that these companies got decades and decades to develop. Now we will see the second company, and the second one is Pfizer, and the best selling brands are Viagra, Lipitor, Norvas, Revasio, Xanax and Zoloft. And this company was founded in 1849, and at present the market valuation is 205 US billion dollar with an annual profit of around 7.7 US billion dollar. So now the second reason why there is no Indian big company, the second reason is that these companies are having the big budget, whereas the Indian companies are not having the big budget for the R&D, research and development. So these company, after spending so much of a money, they develop new molecules and then they sell in the whole world and they make again a big fortune. So this is the second reason. Now we will see the third one. At the third place, the name of company is Novartis, and the best selling brands are Voltaren, Tegretol and Diovon, and this company was founded in 1996. But this happened after the merger of Ciba and Sandoz, and Ciba and Sandoz was the old company, and after merger the name of company was Novartis, and the company is based in Switzerland, and at present the market valuation is around through 203 US billion dollar with an annual profit of 17 US billion dollar per year. So we can see these companies are such a big companies, and now what is the benefit they used to get, because these companies have the presence in the whole world, whereas the Indian companies are not having the presence in the pan world. So this is the third reason why there is no Indian company in the list. Now at the fourth place, the company name is Roche, and the best selling brands are Rosifin, Rivotril, Tamiflu, Valium, and they have the diabetic management products also with the name of AccuCheck brand. And this company was also founded in 1896 in the Switzerland, and at present the market valuation is 221 US billion dollar and with the annual profit of 9.2 US billion dollar. So this is the fourth company in the top 10 list, and now we will see the reason, because in the west, if we will see the in the US, UK and all, and in Europe also, the majority of the patients are insured, so they have enough money to spend on the medicines, so they can buy the branded medicines and they can spend a lot money on the medicines. So this pharma company earn a lot. But in India, if you will see, India, there is no such a big growth in the insurance sector, so the patients have to spend from their own pocket. So this is the second reason why Indian companies are not getting a big amount. So this is the fourth reason. Now we will show the name of company is Sanofi, and the best selling brands are Lasix, Plavix, Amril, that is the diabetic tablet, Glucophase, Suprex, Tavanic, the antibiotic, Allegra, and this company was founded in 1973 in the France, and at present the market valuation of Sanofi is around 115 US billion dollar with the annual profit of 4.8 US billion dollar, and the sale is around 40 US billion dollar. So this is the fifth position company. And now we will see the fifth reason why the Indian companies are not so big, because in India the Ayurvedic segment is there, herbal segment is there, and home remedies are there. So therefore India is not dependent only on allopathic medicines. So this would be the fifth reason why Indian companies are not present in the revenue wise in the list of a top 10 biggest pharmaceutical companies. And the sixth company is Merck, and Merck is basically a US based company. It was founded in 1891, and at present the market valuation is 157 US billion dollar, with the profit of 4.4 US billion dollar per year, and the sale is around 39 US billion dollar. And the best selling brands are Singular, Proscar, Zocor, Vioxx, and Fosamax. And it was found, the founder was Theodore Vickers George Merck. So this is the sixth company, Merck. And why these companies are so became so big, the sixth reason is because they also have an innovative marketing strategy. The innovative marketing strategy gives them strength, and they have the unique brands and unique products also. So this is the sixth reason. And now we will see the seventh company. That name of seventh company, this is a German based company from Germany, and it was founded in 1863. The name of a company is a Bayer, and the major brands are aspirin and Redoxon, the vitamin C, Adalat, Canesten, Yasmin and Cipro, the ciprofloxacin. And at present the market valuation is 102 US billion dollar, with the profit of 4.5 US billion dollar per year. So this was the Bayer. And at the sixth position, the name of company, well known company, the name of company is GlaxoSmithKline, and the best selling brands are Calpol, the paracetamol, the Augmentin, the amoxicillin antibiotic, Zintec, the Rentidine, Eltroxin, Iodex, Horlicks, Zovirex. So these all are the well known brands. And the company was founded in year 2000 after the merger of a Glaxo, Wellcome and SmithKline Beecham. And this is UK based company, and the present market valuation is 104 US billion dollar, and at present the profit is around 12.9 US billion dollar per year. Ninth position, name of company is Gilead Science, and this is US based company, with the market valuation, capital valuation is 138 US billion dollar, with the annual profit of around 18 US billion dollar. And at the 10th position, the name of company is Amgen. This is Swiss company, and the market valuation is 122 crores, with the profit of 6.9 billion dollar. And I am telling here two more companies. I am not telling the top 10. This is actually top 12, because every time, so because of the stock valuation and the sale, few company goes up and down. It always happens. So therefore at the 11th position, the name of company is Allergan, and this is also from US. And at the 12th position, the name of company is AstraZeneca. This is UK based company. So these are the total top 12 pharmaceutical companies in the whole world, and I gave you the 6 major reasons why there is no Indian company in the list. And if you know any other reasons, I request you to please share in the comment, write in a comment. So definitely we will cover that in our next video. Till then, bye.